Well, this fatigue is not due to the lack of love. It is only because I just can't leave a moment without your loving persona. My most special baby girl. I want to share something very extraordinary with you. This has been kind of hidden deep down in my heart. No one in the world knows about it so far. So I have to say that I have kept it well inside me. I know people have suspicions about our relationship. So some of them might have assumed it. But this may sound startling to you. That's why I am getting my mystery out today in front of you. I feel that you should have heard this from me only. But I have a proposition for you, dear. You should not react instantly. I have been in profound love with you for a long time. I guess it was love at very first sight from day one. You are the most gorgeous girl that I've ever seen. You are such a fantastic, kind-hearted and caring person. That's why I can't even think of another partner in my life. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Every moment is so heavenly with you. Your positive energy inspires me the most. I want to flip this relationship into a pair connection. That's why I am going to propose to you as soon as possible. Trust me, dear, I will make sure that you have the most incredible life. I am working day and night to secure a brighter future for us. I will fight against the world for you if required. You are really irreplaceable to me, my dear darling.